DIY Dad here at Heartland, America. Today we have a great product. We got a Blue Ridge 20-volt chainsaw. It has a 10-inch blade and it has a really nice window to look and see the oil level. And it has a built-in chain tensioner, which is really nice because a lot of other chainsaws, you have to have a special tool and a lot of people end up losing that tool. So this is a really nice feature. It also has a rubberized grip for extra sturdy stability. On this particular chainsaw, there is actually a stop chain brake. So when you go to use it for the first time, you'll make sure it's pulled forward like this, otherwise it won't run. That's a safety feature, okay? It comes with a 20-volt, 4-amp-hour lithium-ion battery. You don't have to worry about gas and oil or getting out a big extension cord for an electric chainsaw. This is really nice and convenient to cut and trim trees. This is the time of the year when it's really good to start pruning your trees and doing some cutting because of the fact that the sap in the trees are going down towards the trunk of the tree, and it's going to be less harmful to the tree this time of the year. You can get this great product at heartlandamerica.com, SKU number 62883. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more videos.